In this discourse, I shall expound upon the formidable practice of intermittent fasting, delving into the realm of physiology and providing insight on the implementation of this method. For further information, click on the links provided below. If you want to support this channel and see more videos like this,
like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe with me.
The idea of intermittent fasting is not a novel one. It has been widely acknowledged and practiced by historical figures. The ancient Greeks and Romans, particularly philosophers and athletes, utilized fasting as a means to enhance their cognitive acuity and physical prowess. In ancient India, the discipline of yoga encompassed durations of abstention from food as a method of purifying the body and mind. Additionally, fasting has been long-standing religious practice in many cultures, particularly within Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, and is still widely observed in present day. The specific utilization of intermittent fasting as a health and weight loss strategy, however, is a relatively recent advancement. The contemporary understanding of intermittent fasting began to gain traction in the early 2000s. The augmentation of growth hormone production by the pituitary gland is observed during fasting. This serves to preserve muscle tissue, a critical aspect, as during a fast, the body primarily relies on utilization of stored energy in the form of glycogen and fat as fuel source. During intermittent fasting, the levels of insulin, the hormone responsible for the storage of energy in the form of fat upon consumption, decrease, thus promoting the utilization of stored fat as a source of energy. Autophagy, a natural metabolic process by which the body rejuvenates itself through the breakdown and elimination of damaged and superfluous cellular components, is also observed to be augmented during intermittent fasting. It is a highly efficacious lifestyle modification for weight loss, as numerous studies have demonstrated. It has been found to not only effectively lower blood pressure, but also to improve cholesterol levels, which are both paramount risk factors for cardiovascular disease. It has been explored as a prospective therapeutic approach for type 2 diabetes, with research indicating that it can enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, it has been studied for its potential impact on certain forms of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer, with some studies suggesting a beneficial effect. Given its anti-inflammatory properties, it has been posited that intermittent fasting may have the potential to extend lifespan, as some studies have suggested. For those new to the practice of intermittent fasting, it is recommended to proceed with caution and gradually increase the duration. It is imperative to maintain proper hydration levels throughout the fasting period by consuming ample amounts of water and green tea. Signals transmitted from the brain to alert for thirst and hunger are similar. Thus, proper hydration can mitigate confusion between the two sensations. Plan and prepare meals in advance. Incorporate protein-rich foods that take a longer time to digest. Seeking out a supportive community, such as joining a support group, can be extremely beneficial, as it provides the opportunity to learn from others, gain insight, and be motivated by success stories. Remember that the benefits of intermittent fasting are cumulative. Skipping days can impede the attainment of optimal results.
Subscribe. Bye bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, and much more.